in this storm. Oh no, I actually threw that.
What was
Why did
that?
I
I'm
throw
in the
that?
storm. I'm gonna die. Who did that?
After the decoys.
Where?
I'm pinging up. 150?
After the decoys up there. Ooh, Rapidus.
150? I got one for 150.
Rocket's coming in.
Oh, they're trying to not make me take fall damage. No, you not tag me. They did tag me.
Knock one.
Here's how we practically died last week. We got
Guy down.
airstrike.
Guy down. Right here. 30.
One's dead.
We
Knock one.
always have to get airstriked.
Yes.
Oh no.
Can you hold on a second?
Kill.
Knock. And he's dead. What, mommy?
You see somebody?
You see them?
Push you back. Eliminated. Somebody was eliminated in this storm. Oh no, I actually threw that.
What was
Why did
that?
I
I'm
throw
in the
that?
storm. I'm gonna die. Who did that? Throw those away, whoever had them.
Your son?
Yeah.
Hey, we should move to the circle.
Ooh, there's another
Oh,
sniper
I
right
see
here.
them.
We gotta run, we
There's
gotta
one
run,
guy
we gotta
alone.
run. Oh no, it's not moving yet. Never mind. Why are we moving? Who said that?
They're fighting, I think.
Oh, getting shot at.
Somebody tried to snap by my head.
I'm gonna try.
I'm
Oh,
moving
there's
into the
two.
circle.
There's one over there and one over there.
Oh, I think it's two different teams, or are you guys shooting at him?
I think it's two different teams.
Cause there's someone over here.
Yeah, we're getting shot at.
Ooh, this guy. Six people? It's 2 against 4.
I think this guy's a solo. But I don't know where the other one is. Could be 2 solos. There's
Let's
some
go
of your
then.
ammo. How much ammo do
20,
you have,
40,
Tom?
668.
150?
Oh, shit.
I got one for 150. I got one for 150.
I haven't seen
He
either
might be
one of
going.
them.
They're probably like, they're too good. We cannot stop them. It's only 2 of them anyway.
Yeah, we just gotta make sure we don't die.
Oh, I almost don't know.
You have to move to them.
66 head.
Knock one. I no scoped one from here. I no scoped
Keep
one.
shooting, keep shooting. Where's the last guy?
Popping minis.
Building up. Back up, G. We got him. There we go.
Fire.
Let's go.
And I'm not playing any more games. Either put me on the charts or I'll put you up in flames. Better recognize art, cause I don't forget names. Should've seen me from the start, coming at you like a train. Think I'm about to fall apart every single fucking day. Seeing all these damn stars with my well-deserved fame. And I spit these gold bars while they spitting out shit.